Welcome to today's session. So today we are focusing on how to calculate growth in a correct way using the absolute function in Excel. So we're going to use the data from a company called Potel Limited, where we have the net profit after tax, which is the bottom line from the profit and loss account. So we are going to use two methods. The first method is the common way, known way of calculating growth, so which is basically the current value minus the previous value, then we divide by the previous value, then we get that, which is 11%. So 11%. So basically what we are saying is between 2010 and 2011, net profit after tax grew by 11%. So to calculate the other years, I'll just use a shortcut, Control R to fill to the right. So what we notice is we easily calculate the growth like that. But the problems arises when we inspect these numbers. We discover that between 2012 and 2013, the net profit after tax worsened. So we had a loss of 2,600 to a loss of 4,100, but yet here is showing a growth of 58%. So this is what this way of calculating growth breaks down. Similarly, what you notice is between 2018 and 2019, there was a growth. So we are moving from a loss of 3,400 to a profit of 8,100, but here is showing a negative 38% growth, meaning it was worsening, but it's not the case. So to avoid these pitfalls, that's where the function called absolute function becomes useful in Excel. So on top is a difference, a traditional way, which is the current value minus the previous value. Then instead of dividing it by the previous value the way it is, we say we want it to be absolute. So meaning what we are saying is we want it to be positive regardless whether it was negative or positive. So now the absolute function, which is ABS in Excel, has only one argument. So one argument, and this is just we keep the number of entries, which is the previous year, then you press enter. What you'll notice, we're still able to get 11% for the first year. But let us see what happens when we calculate the other values using select Control R, which is the right field. What you'll notice is, unlike the traditional way of, or the most common way of calculating growth, here it correctly identifies that this was a decline, not an improvement. Even here where we're moving from a loss to profit, it correctly calculate that in a correct way. So this is where the absolute function in Excel becomes useful and helpful in avoiding these pitfalls. So for more interesting videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.